of consistency, sleepless nights, and revision marathons. That is my fellow CA aspirants. Welcome back to episode 14 of WOW series. And in case you are new here, WOW doesn't just mean wow, it stands for Words of Wisdom. This is an initiative by the Winner Circle, a pan India CA student led community with its tagline From Peers to Professionals, where we bring to you the most interesting journeys, life lessons, and success mantras straight from those who have lived them. Now, before I spill the beans about our today's phenomenal guest, let me quickly share something exciting. Our very first project is an anthology, Education, a powerful compilation of write ups from CA students, where they will be sharing their raw struggles, untold failures, and glorious wins. Think of it as a roller coaster ride, but in a book format. So stay tuned with us across all platforms because you do not want to miss this release. Now, let's talk about our guest for today. She is a name that truly needs no introduction in our CA community, but I'll give you one anyway because the journey is too inspiring not to share. CA Prachijan ma'am, co-founder and chief strategic officer at Ednovate Institution, is not just a chartered accountant. She is also a company secretary, a lawyer, a rare and powerful combination that truly makes her a multidisciplinary professional. With over 15 plus years of experience across private equity, venture capital, and impact investing, she has built a reputation for sharp financial acumen and visionary leadership. But what makes her story even more extraordinary is the scale of what she has achieved. An All India rank holder and a certified ESG professional, CA Prachijan ma'am has successfully raised and deployed multi-million dollar of funds with her name featuring among the top 100 women in finance. That is a testament to the mark she has made in the industry, which is still striving for more women leaders. In March 2021, she took a bold step and co-founded Ednovate Institution. And since then, she has not just created another CA coaching setup, but she has literally changed the face of CA EdTech industry. Taking a notch higher, she is also a passionate educator and mentor. She has been a visiting faculty at many prestigious institutions where she has inspired countless students and young professionals. Beyond the classroom, she continues to share her insights as a sought after speaker at many national and international forums, where her words resonate with ambition, courage, and wisdom. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's my absolute honor and delight to welcome on this episode of WOW series a trailblazer, a mentor, an achiever, and above all, an inspiration, CA Prachijan ma'am. With that being said, I would like Dev and Tuba to take over.
Thank you so much, Satakshi, for the kind introduction. I wanted to say thanks to you.
So thank you so much, Satakshi, for this introduction. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, everybody. So I'll be beginning with the proceedings for today. So let us have a quick ice-breaking session, ma'am. The very first question that comes from my side to you is that you hold various prestigious qualifications like CA, CS, law, and yes, not to forget, even in ESG investing. So my question to you is that generally what happens once a person comes into this profession, they either select a job or a practice or go into business. But you have selected something which is different from all this, Ednovate Classic. So my question to you is that what did motivate you to set up such a diverse path in your life?
So Dev, thank you so much. So I cleared my CA long back, Dev, 2007. So just like you all, I completed my articleship in 2007. Of course, I'm in the same year I become CA because we didn't had that time frame, right? 2 years of we had 3 years of articleship. In the last year, you can appear for the paper and all. So for me, it's 16 years being in the corporate world. My first job was apparently into the private equity and venture capital, which is people's last job, right? So when we started our recruitment process, like people of my age, 2007, everybody wanted to get into investment banking. तो लोग बोलते भी नहीं थे, frankly speaking. And fortunately, because of my articleship experience, because I have my specialization in direct and international taxation, I've done it from Ambit RSM, which got merged with PricewaterhouseCoopers. So it's PwC technically. Every partner in PwC is Ambit RSM. So I've worked with almost everyone out there. And because of that enriching experience, plus in my last year, I was actually doing a lot of fund structuring. So I shifted from direct taxation and international taxation to fund structuring, doing of M&A, transaction advisory. अभी ये बहुत सारे different verticals बन गए हैं. We used to do it club together. Like we were doing everything, M&A, transaction advisory, OECD, Arvid Scars, I mean, the kind of books which you're reading. And after doing that, as I said, because you're a CA, I landed up my first job. So I will tell you the story. So it was Yes Bank. And there was a campus placement. So we were also the first batch जिनका convocation हुआ था ICAI की life में first time. So the first batch of convocation by the ICAI, उसके पहले convocation का फंडा नहीं हुआ होता था. And I think apparently also the first batch जिनका campus placement हुआ था या हमारे से पहले भी किसी का हुआ था. And what happened was, so there's a lot of companies which have come up. There are few companies where I really wanted to go, but because I will tell you, during that time, Delhi was considered to be very, very unsafe for girls. My father bluntly said, not going to Delhi. So I got into G Capital and they were funding my MBA also. So I really wanted to jump into that. So I got into that. So I was speaking about G, right? And Delhi being that place where I couldn't go because of XYZ reasons. And then came the Yes Bank interview. And I was being offered the corporate banking profile. And I said, I don't want corporate banking. I want investment banking. And we were having that great conversation. And he said, oh, you have to follow the MD. I mean, I think he was the VP's path. And you should start with corporate banking and move to iBanking. And there was another gentleman. I said, sir, I want to follow your path. I want to start with investment banking and move to corporate banking. So we had that tussle and they said, no, we are not appointing you. I said, great, don't appoint me. I'll go back to my world, which is Big Four. PwC, my seniors are waiting for me to hire me, right? They said, open arms, you come Prachi at any point in time. And after like 15 days, I was just having a gala time. I went to my home city. I'm not from Mumbai, guys. I'm from a small city called Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And I went back. I said, chalo, enjoy karte apna life kya hai. देखेंगे मतलब there is no rush. Like वो time पे किसी भी चीज का rush नहीं होता था. So, and then I got a call that Yes Bank want to hire someone in the private equity space. They're launching their fund and they needed someone like my profile. As a CA, you understand accounting, you understand finance, and they just have to tell me how the modeling needs to be done. Valuation भी हम पढ़ते हैं तो वो सब भी आता था. So they hired me because the seniors doesn't know the fund structuring, the fund accounting, the SEBI regulations and the RBI regulations pertaining to that, which I all knew like very, very closely, the Mauritius path. And I just got hired. So I'm telling you that sometimes God decides a lot of things for you. So having said that, Dave, starting my entrepreneurship journey is a very well thought through decision. It is not my first job, is what I'm trying to tell you. I've spent 17 years in the corporate world, in private equity and venture capital industry. And I've lived that life for so many years. I wanted to shift ways from a corporate world, from the last fund where I was working, to a new fund. And that's the point in time because it's my friends who started this company, right? Ednovate. And I knew that there are a lot of pain points which nobody wants to actually solve for students, because 2007 में जो problem थे वो 2020 में भी थे और 21 में भी थे, and people give a damn to it because unfortunately it's a correspondence course, किसी को नहीं पड़ी आपकी, right? So we thought boss change तो करना है, और if you want the change to happen, sometimes you have to initiate the change. And I think that's the logic of me. I said कुछ नहीं हुआ, समझ में नहीं आया entrepreneurship कैसी होती है, तो अपने दुनिया में वापस चले जाएंगे, which is the startup ecosystem, the funding world for me. But it happened, and I'm very happy being an entrepreneur because I could do so many things. Being an entrepreneur gives you a lot of flexibility. So that's my answer to you, Dave. I know I've actually crossed your limit of answering in 2 to 3 minutes. But the reason is that you should know that it's not my first job. It's like 16 years in corporate world before I ventured into being an entrepreneur.
That's really great, ma'am. That's such an inspiring story for all of us. Moving ahead to our next
Thanks.
question, ma'am. Like you were selected to a prestigious institution like Lady Shri Ram College, but unfortunately you didn't get into it. So what was the story behind it? And do you think like if you would have taken that journey, like you would have gone there, your direction of life would be something different?
So Tuba, as I said, that Delhi is a place which my father hates. Not only in 2004, but also in 2001, I would say, when I started, 112, when I started with my college life, right?
Yes.
And so the story was me and my friend, we actually got good marks and we were some district toppers also. I don't remember. तभी उतना होता नहीं था, मतलब we never knew, हमें तो पता ही नहीं था कि कौन क्या है. So that friend of mine, I used to teach her accounts and she has got 2 marks more from, she's still my best friend. She is settled in London now. उसको 2 marks में से ज़्यादा आया. So my name is not there in the Carmel Convent Board of Gwalior, which is one of the best schools there. And I used to tell him कि but मैंने बोला बुरा क्या मानो यार, अपना ही दोस्त है. But again, we both got selected to these colleges, and his father was professional. So he was okay because he has seen that life that people have to move. I coming from a business background, my father said, you can go to Bombay. I'm not sending you to Delhi. And I'm like, Papa, this is one of the best colleges in Asia, right? And you can't do this to me. And I was young. I can't say कि भाई मैं छोड़ के जा रही हूँ घर, मतलब मुझे पढ़ना है, तो मतलब I can't make that call, right? He has to fund everything for me.
Yes.
I remember not talking to him for 3 months. There is a cold war between me and my father. I said, I'm not talking to you, and I know how much he loved me. And I said, no, this is a very wrong decision you have taken. I really wanted to go, Papa, and this will change my path. This will change my life. And today, as I stand, Tuba, you asked me the second question: how did it change my life? That
Yes.
decision taken by my father changed my life entirely. So after 3 months, we started talking to each other. I said, ठीक है, मतलब कितना ही नहीं करूंगी ना, because I love him so much. So, and then one fine day he said, so I wanted to be an IS officer, Tuba. I never wanted to do CA in my life. I was a very patriotic person. I wanted to join Border Security Force, BSF. I was very clear कि आर्मी में जाके BSF join करना है. But unfortunately, तभी restrictions होते थे कि BSF पे women were not allowed. Then it's long back 2001 because वो NCC का exam and all. And then when I wanted to join army, there were again restrictions with respect to the height and all. मतलब you have to have this. I'm not very tall. I'm 5'1", 5'2", so height. Abhi it's like they waived everything right now when I talk about it. Earlier because they used to see it more from the lenses of guys because there were more
Yes.
people in the army, right? Very
Yes.
few women. Today the things have changed a bit. And there were restrictions and I didn't know what to do. And I said कि ठीक है ये नहीं कर सकती तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में आती हूँ, वहां पे दुनिया चेंज करेंगे हम. तो I said ठीक है, but IS you can appear for the exam only post your graduation, right? उसके पहले तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते आप.
Yes.
And फिर पापा ऐसा CA का फॉर्म ले आए and he's like okay appear for this exam. I said ठीक है यार, मतलब and because I'm from a CBSE board, 12 CBSE board and CA foundation का curriculum is almost very similar.
Yes.
काफी सिमिलर रहता है, थोड़ा आप पढ़ोगे तो आप यू कैन स्कोर गुड मार्क्स.
Yes.
तो पेपर दे दिया, पास हो गया. भी उसमें भी ये पंगा हुआ कि देयर वाज अनदर फ्रेंड हु सेड क्या मुझे सीए करना है, तू मेरे साथ करना. तो ऐसे ठीक है मैं करती हूँ. तो शी फ्लंक्ड, मैं पास हो गई. रिजल्ट आया, मैं पास हो गई. 1 महीने के बाद एक्चुअली आई गॉट टू नो दैट आई हैव गॉट ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 व्हेन आई गॉट दैट सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम द institute. I have never aspired for rank, frankly speaking, Tuba. I always believed in doing hard work and I should know. So I always tell people that because maybe I wanted to get into the army or BSF or being an IS officer, I was very clear that when I'm appearing in the exam, let the bullet come from anywhere. So let the question come from any chapter. I should actually know what the answer is. So I never used to leave any question. I never used to leave anything. I used to thoroughly prepare because for me it's more about learning and wisdom rather than scoring ranks because it's all about luck. यार किसी का luck अच्छा हुआ, पेपर में वही सब आ गया जो पढ़ के गया. But when you delve in more into that person's life, you know how empty that bottle is a lot of times because there is no wisdom. So that has been my thought process. I'm not making a very generic comment. It is my thought process and therefore I used to be like very, very thorough with everything. Plus मेरा luck भी खराब था. मैं जो छोड़ के जाती थी कभी कोई दुनिया में तो मेरे को वही आ जाता था with good marks. So I felt कुछ भी छोड़ के नहीं जाना है. But to answer your question, it has changed my life, Tuba. So as I said, I wouldn't have done CA. My focus would have been an IS and I would have become IS. I'm very sure about it. फिर इंटर किया, इंटर के बाद so the time which I've spent with my parents for those 2 years, right, when I was there in Gwalior, I think that's the best time because I've just crossed that 12th क्योंकि teenage तब 12th 10वीं से 12वीं होता था, अभी जल्दी आ जाता है teenage, right? again things do change. And I have become very spiritual during that time, right? My spirituality quotient increased. I used to meditate a lot. I used to do that spirituality. I used to go and meet Maharaj Sahib, जो हमारे होते हैं. They may understand that. Whosoever is Jain out here can understand ki. So I learned my spirituality, my everything, what I am today in terms of an individual. How better individual I can become. Those are the 2 years. And today also I thank my father that thank God he took that decision for me. And today I tell everyone in the hindsight, we as kids always think that parents do not understand us. But today, as a parent, I feel that because we have seen that curve,
Yes.
majority of the time, I'm not telling 100% of the time, majority of the times, your parents exactly know what is good for you. Sometimes have leave of faith in them and sometimes agree rather than having that gussa. Of course, I also had gussa, 3 months. But the love always overpowers. So differences of opinion, yes. But grudges mat rakho, because again, it's little emotional for me. I became CA. I lost my father in 2010. 2008, it was a cardiac arrest for him. He couldn't get doctor at the right time. And I was not with him. And my biggest regret in life, if you may ask me, is the fact that I was not with my father during his last time, right? And I think that regret I still had in me somewhere. And with him goes the dream of being an IS officer, I will say. And I can never ever complete that dream, I feel, because then you get into that chakra view of life, I will say, and which I did. And I'm still figuring out ways how I can, is there a way laterally I can get into the administrative role? I love doing that. But I don't know. So that dream went away with him. It's very sad, but he has been an inspiration, he and my mother, for a lot of things in my life. So, as I say, time is too short. You never know. And yeah, I mean, sorry, I'm getting a little overwhelmed, but yeah, that's the
No,
thing.
ma'am, please take your time. So sorry to hear about your father. You are,
No, thanks, Tuba, for the consideration. But I think he's the one who truly still inspires me in my dreams. If I have doubts, I just have to speak to him. As I say, I am a little weird. I still talk to him somewhere. I get answers to a lot of my questions. He's still my strength. And I feel he must be happy somewhere seeing his daughter doing good. But I still feel that I've yet to complete a lot of his dreams in life and truly make him proud.
surely, ma'am, surely. You are definitely an inspiration for many of us.
No
And
doubt about that.
yeah,
And before moving on to the next question, one thing which I would like to ensure is that your father would be definitely proud of you where you
Yes.
are today, ma'am. No doubt about it.
Thanks, Dave. I don't know. I still felt that there's so much I wanted to just do for him. So, yeah.
No, ma'am. It's definitely you are definitely an inspiration for all of us. Okay, ma'am. Next question पे मैं बढ़ता हूँ. अभी आपने mentioned that you had a rank in your CA foundation, and I believe you also have achieved All India rank 22 in your CA intermediate. So a question that every CA student has to a ranker is that आपकी preparation strategy क्या थी for a rank?
सो देव वही स्ट्रैटेजी थी जो हम अब इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं, मतलब सब जगह पे, बिकॉज वी आर अ ग्रुप ऑफ रैंक होल्डर्स इन एडनोवेट, राइट? सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज, as I say, that you should understand the concept. It is never about ratification when you get into a professional level. छोटे होते हो 4 चीजें आपने रट ली, ठीक है. अभी इतना बड़ा तो वॉल्यूम है, कितना रटोगे? आपके पास उतना फोटोग्राफिक मेमोरी भी होना चाहिए और उतना मेमोरी में जगह भी होना चाहिए. frankly speaking, it's not a chip. So once you understand the concepts, it's very easy because you start relating those concepts with other things, right? So conceptual learning is very important. Secondly, always do revision after you have done something in your class, right? I think we underestimate the power of revision. तो क्या होता है ना, हम सोचते हैं पढ़ लेंगे ना, टीचर ने पढ़ाया तो याद है. पर क्या होता है, जब टीचर पहली बार पढ़ाता है, उसके सेकंड टाइम जब हम आके थोड़ा रिविजन कर लेते हैं ना, तो वो सेकंड लेवल ऑफ लर्निंग हो जाता है, सेकंड हो जाता है वो रिविजन. उसके बाद जब तीसरा रिविजन होता है ना, वो बहुत आसान हो जाता है. सो वो जो हम क्लास वर्क होमवर्क करवाते हैं हमारे यहाँ पे, प्राइमरली द होल आइडिया इज that kids should go and revise at home, because otherwise revision nahi hoga apna, right? So revision is very important, which we lack. Third is depending upon your appetite. कुछ बच्चों को लिखना पसंद होता है, writing practice, right? किसी को नहीं होता है, right? It is individual to individual, right? लेकिन एग्जाम टाइम पे बहुत सारे बच्चे बिकॉज उनका राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस नहीं होता है, आता है सब कुछ पर पेपर छूट जाता है. सो यू हैव टू नो योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस. मतलब मैं एक तो कंसेप्चुअली प्रिपेयर करती थी खुद को. एज आई से आई यूज टू लर्न एवरीथिंग. मतलब वो मेरा है पर्सनल. अगेन मैं कुछ छोड़ती नहीं थी, मुझे सब कुछ आना चाहिए. आई विल पुट इन एक्स्ट्रा आवर्स ऑल्सो फॉर थिंग्स विच आई डू नॉट नो. आई स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम डूइंग सेल्फ स्टडी ऑल्सो, राइट. क्योंकि आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू, उस जमाने में उतना ट्यूशन होता नहीं था, फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग. CA फाउंडेशन में तो आई हैव नॉट टेकन एनी क्लासेस ओनली व्हेन आई गॉट AIR 19. ओके. इंटरमीडिएट में भी तभी वो टाइम पे सब सब्जेक्ट्स के क्लासेस नहीं होते थे, ओनली फॉर दी प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट. ओके. सो आई ओनली टेकन फॉर टैक्सेशन बिकॉज टैक्सेशन वॉज अ न्यू सब्जेक्ट. हमें पता ही नहीं था कि वो क्या है. और एक कॉस्टिंग, लेकिन कॉस्टिंग के टीचर बहुत अच्छे नहीं थे हमारे, तो हम कॉस्टिंग सेल्फ स्टडी करें, right? But I also realized that not everybody could understand the way you have to study because the curriculum is very vast. So you need a guide or a mentor who can tell you exactly what needs to be done. So again, I got a rank because I knew. So primarily, आपका conceptual clarity, as I said, I'm repeating myself, but that's very, very important. Solving of sums, which means revision, audit में भी जाके revision करो अपना, because वो theory subject हो जाता है थोड़ा. Plus always have a combination of try doing when you're revising practical subject plus एक theory subject, because वो theory करते करते थोड़ा boring हो जाता है. एग्जाम के पहले जो अपना स्टडी लीव होता है, दो, ये तुम्हारा रेगुलर हो गया. जो स्टडी लीव होता है, राइट, गिव एज मेनी पेपर्स एज यू कैन. हमारे टाइम पे स्कैनर हुआ करता था, विच टेक्निकली मींस पास्ट के 10-12 साल के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स होते थे. एक चैप्टर कंप्लीट हुआ तभी वी यूज टू सॉल्व ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस, और वी यूज टू हाईलाइट देम कि ये क्वेश्चन में ये वाला एडजस्टमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट है. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम रिवाइजिंग आई डोंट हैव टू रीडू द सम, बिकॉज मेरे पास टाइम भी नहीं होगा ना तभी सम रीडू करने के लिए या वो कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखने के लिए. So these are important things. Plus, lot of people undermine the value of knowing how to write a paper. I mean, आपको सब कुछ आता है, लेकिन आपको ये पता ही नहीं है कि पेपर लिखना कैसे है. राइट. प्राइमरली फॉर थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट्स. अकाउंट्स तो ठीक है, थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट्स में लॉ का है, हम सेक्शन नंबर्स नहीं डालते, हम एज नहीं सेक्शन नंबर भी याद नहीं है तो ठीक है. एज पर कंपनीज एक्ट 1956 और 2003 सिरका, लाइक राइट नाउ इट इज कंपनीज एक्ट 2003, राइट. And then you have to write certain stuffs, whatever the question is, justify that question, and then there has to be a conclusion because it's a law. You have to justify, right? But lot of time हमें क्या लगता है, वो yes no बच्चों की तरह हम आंसर्स लिख देते हैं, we expect कि हमें प्रोफेशनल की तरह आंसर मिल जाए. Then we go and argue कि यार 5 में से हमको 2 ही मिले, हमारा आंसर तो राइट था, देखो बाजू वाले ने भी वही लिखा है. So I see lot of these things happening, but it's very very important कि आपको वो लिखने का तरीका आना चाहिए. जो I feel, I think Satakshi is smiling because she exactly know कि वो कैसे लिखते हैं आंसर, वो भी ऐसे लिखते हैं, इसके लिए उनका रैंक है, because that is what makes the difference. मतलब कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, वो कुछ किसी बच्चा बहुत स्मार्ट होता है, इंटेलिजेंट होता है, उसका 15-20 मार्क्स से रैंक चला जाता है कभी कभी. तो this might be the reason. It's the presentation of your paper, right? वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, बिकॉज आप एक बात समझिए, वो इंसान है ना जो पेपर चेक कर रहा है, वो बहुत सारे पेपर चेक कर रहा है, आपका अकेले का नहीं कर रहा है, वो बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है. सो अगेन वी यूज टू जोक की एंश्योर करो कि बीवी से नहीं लड़ा हो, घर पे कोई झगड़ा नहीं हुआ हो, और वो तब आपका पेपर चेक कर रहा हो, राइट, या हस्बैंड से झगड़ा नहीं हुआ, वॉट एवर. सो keeping those joke apart, the whole idea is if that person sees 10 papers जिसमें clearly किसी बच्चे ने नहीं लिखा है, 11th पेपर जैसे उसके पास आता है जिसमें बच्चे ने बुलेट पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं, चीजें हाईलाइट करी हुई हैं, जस्टिफिकेशन है, सेक्शन नंबर है, वो बोलता है यार इसको 5 में से 6 भी दे सकता हूं मैं तो, राइट. 5 on 5 डॉट ऑन. अभी क्या होता है, अभी अपन को या तो ये प्रे करे कि ये बच्चा जो रैंकर है ना, ये सबसे आखिर में चेक हो, हमें ही सारे मार्क्स मिल जाए. ऐसा तो डेफिनेशन कुछ डिफाइन होता नहीं है कभी भी, राइट. वो कहीं पे भी आपका बंदा बीच में आ सकता है, राइट. एंड इफ दैट हैपेंस, एंड उसके बाद वाले जितने बच्चे हैं सबको 2-2.5 मिल रहा होता है 5 में से, बिकॉज वो उसको दिख जाता है यार ये बच्चे ने तो बड़ा अच्छा लिखा है, तो इस लेवल के बच्चे लिख सकते हैं, और वो तो सेम एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर के आते हैं उसके पास क्वेश्चंस, राइट. So the point I'm trying to tell ki these are small, minute things which people are missing, and we are trying to solve all those problems. When they've asked me that question कि बहुत सारी चीजें solve ही नहीं हो रही थी, मतलब दर्द होता है कि यार कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है, मतलब you really got to be the change, right, sometime. And as I say, rigorous writing practice, solving of papers, regularly revising, very important. And वो जो study leave का period आता है, उसमें सबका अपना पैटर्न होता है. कोई एक सब्जेक्ट करता है, डोंट नो सताक्षी व्हाट यू डू और व्हाट Hera does or what Tuba is doing. कोई 2 करता है. I have taken podcast of my rank holder student. कोई 4 भी करता है. मैं बोली भाई मतलब this is but it is individual to individual. Personally, you ask me, I am someone who is very happy doing one subject at that time. और evening में अगर 1 घंटा मिला तो 1-2 accounts के sum या costing के sum solve कर लिया. Otherwise, I'm very happy completing one subject at a time. As I say, I leave to an individual person. Don't change your things suddenly because you know best what is reasonable for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much. This was a really comprehensive and a very helpful answer. मैं ना एक चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ बिफोर हुआ गोज टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि यार सीए स्टूडेंट्स ना हम ये बहुत करते हैं. वो अक्षय कुमार का मीम याद आ गया मुझे कि पेपर इजी है तो चेकिंग हार्ड होगी, पेपर हार्ड है तो चेकिंग इजी होगी.
Yes.
Absolutely. Well, it's life, right? It's life.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, moving on to the next question. Like you mentioned earlier, hailing from a city like Gwalior, when you came to Mumbai for your articleship, what were the biggest adjustment and surprises you experienced here?
So, Tuba, I will tell you the biggest surprises is not being with parents, right? I wanted to
Yeah.
be away from my parents after 12th, right? And as I said, my journey changed. I think my worst fears, though, I think my father told me, Beta, this is the time for you. I've stopped you. Somewhere he also felt that he has stopped me. And I know, I said, no, Papa, you don't have to be guilty about it. It's fine because whatever I've learned so much. And he said, this is the time for my bird to just open up her wings and fly, right? And when he was leaving me to Bombay, so Bombay is primarily second home for me because there are a lot of maternal uncles and aunts in Bombay, my Masi, Mama, all are here. So my father was also very comfortable in Bombay क्योंकि हमने बहुत छुट्टियां Bombay में बिताई हैं. So Bombay was never a new place for us, right? And because of that, and again, it's South Bombay, तो हम लोग को पता था कि हम उधर रह रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं दादर, beyond दादर वाला area. So we have come, तो वो इतना तो knowledge था ना कौन सी जगह है क्या है. And when I came here, I came actually, it's a very funny story. I came here not for my articleship. I came here to attend my cousin's wedding. I've already started my articleship under my father's friend. But उन्होंने मुझे रजिस्टर नहीं किया था for 2-3 months. As I said, we are always MP के लोग laid back होते हैं थोड़े. जेनरिक कमेंट नहीं मार रही पर दिल के बड़े अच्छे होते हैं, ये भी मैं बोलूंगी. बट वी आर ओके, मतलब लाइफ में कोई रश नहीं है. एक तो हमारी जनरेशन में भी कोई रश नहीं था. सो आई वाज डूइंग आर्टिकलशिप अंडर हिम. अंकल सेड मैं कर दूंगा तुम्हें रजिस्टर. आई सेड कर देना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड आई केम टू बॉम्बे एंड माई फादर आई थिंक वुड हैव मेड अप हिज माइंड कि नहीं अभी बच्ची को तो मेरे को यहीं पे करवानी आर्टिकल. एंड बिकॉज आई गॉट अ रैंक, I started getting calls from all big firms of Mumbai, right? Deloitte से letter, उनको रैंक का लिस्ट मिल जाता है. And then they start sending you letters. तभी वो ईमेल सिस्टम नहीं होता था, हमें चिट्ठियां आती थी हमारे घर के एड्रेस पे जो रजिस्टर्ड रहता था आपका. तो घर पे लेटर्स आते थे बहुत सारे कि आप आर्टिकलशिप आप पे हमें ज्वाइन करिए, आपका इंटरव्यू हम कर रहे हैं. वो डिफरेंट दुनिया थी तभी. एंड 4-5 जगह से. एंड माई फादर वॉज लाइक कि नहीं. एंड वी केम फॉर अ वेडिंग एंड माई फादर वॉज गोइंग. मेरी मासी की डॉटर का वेडिंग था. एंड मम्मी मासी बोली कि मेरी बेटी की शादी हो गई है तो तू थोड़ा रुक के जा, मुझे बड़ा लोनली फील हो रहा है. एंड देन माई फादर सडनली वो बॉम्ब फोड़ा कि सिंस यू गॉट लेटर स्टार्ट गिविंग योर इंटरव्यू है. एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट हिम एंड आई एम सेइंग कि नहीं पापा पॉसिबल ही नहीं, क्योंकि ही इज समवन जिनको मेरे बिना वो खाना नहीं खा सकते टाइप्स वाले. सो आई वाज लाइक कि यार ये ऐसे जोक कर रहे हैं, ही विल अगेन बी लाइक कि तू, बिकॉज ही कांट स्टे विदाउट मी, आई कांट, इट्स लाइकवाइज. बट ही वाज वेरी सीरियस एंड ही सेड नहीं मैं जा रहा हूँ, मम्मी का भी टिकट हो गया, मेरा तो टिकट नहीं है वापस का. एंड आई सेड कि ठीक है. एंड देन ही इज लाइक नहीं भैया है, यू गो एंड स्टार्ट गिविंग योर इंटरव्यूज. इफ यू आर नॉट सिलेक्टेड ओके कम बैक, यू आर सिलेक्टेड, ठीक है. मैं गई, यू आर अ रैंक होल्डर. सो आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज नो इंटरव्यू. आई वेंट इनसाइड. सो आई वेंट टू फ्यू प्लेसेस एंड देन आई वेंट टू दिस फर्म कॉल्ड एम्बेट RSM जो मर्ज हो गई PwC के साथ बाद में. एंड वहां पे आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर देयर वाज अ पार्टनर. मैंने उनको ऐसा सर्टिफिकेट दिया मेरा, इनका इंटरव्यू होगा अच्छा खासा. हाँ, which department do you want to join? So I said I love tax. So tax was one of my favorite subjects. So I said okay, go join. I said sir, when should I be joining from? And I thought there would be HR का interview. आज कितने सारे interviews होते हैं ना. And then he's like, you can join now only. I said, oh, my bhaiya is waiting outside. Inform him that you're joining from today. So I said, भैया सर ने बोला अभी से join करना है. So I went upstairs. It was so funny. Like that's how my interview happened, right? Of course, उसके पहले मैंने 2-3 जगह पे interview दिए थे. And one of the interviews, I'm not taking the name of the firm here because you will be casting it. उन्होंने मैं गई इंटरव्यू देने इसके पहले वाला जो इंटरव्यू था एंड ही सेड दैट ओह यू आर फ्रॉम दिस रैंक वैंक भी अच्छे थे एंड देन ही सेड कि डू यू नो इंग्लिश एंड आई एम लाइक यार व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दैट मतलब मेरे मन में ऐसा फीलिंग आया I'm calm and educated. I can speak pretty well English. It doesn't mean that you're hailing from a small city. That was his, matlab, of course, all of questions, technical, sab maine answer kare. And I'm answering in English only because I speak much better English than Hindi. And then he's like, do you know English? And I'm like, nahi, idhar nahi join karna. Of course, there was no ego per se, but I felt little offended ki it's not just Mumbai guys knows English. In fact, I know a lot of my Mumbai friends who think I speak better English than all of them. And that's how they befriended me कि यार ये तो कोई बंदी आई है इससे like articleship में इससे दोस्ती करते हैं because ये तो बड़ी अच्छी English बोलती है कहाँ से आई है ये types करके right so that's how I got a lot of friends so I got little कि यार ये क्या है मतलब then my brother told me कि this is Bombay यहाँ पे सबको लगता है कि हर इंसान other than Bombay अलीबाग से आया है तो you don't take it too hard and that was his teaching and then I always remembered that conversation which I had with him. I said, okay, bhai, I will not take it too hard from now on. I have understood that बॉम्बे में जो भी बाहर से आया है वो गांव से ही आया है nobody is from शहर तो कौन से गांव से आए हो आप so I think those were pretty interesting moments Tuba just to tell you that but आके challenges जो आप मुझे बोल रहे हो अगर मैं बोलूं so challenges primarily staying away from parents which is very very important second is primarily 3 महीने के मैं मुझे लगा कि I'm not fit for Mumbai I thought कि मुझे यहाँ से भाग जाना चाहिए because without parents because I'm very pampered child in terms of lot of love and care youngest in the family and you are in a joint family like during that time you do have a joint family structures and the youngest girl loved being loved a lot by the family and I was like यार ये तो कुछ हो गया and I was staying not in a hostel I was staying with my masi she was all alone उनकी बेटी की शादी हो गई as I said and my masa was not there like he passed away long back Bhaiya was doing his job somewhere else he is a great satellite engineer so he was not there and Masi was all alone so मैं उनके साथ ही थी तो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से ही टाइम बिताया कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी उनके साथ but you still miss your parents so 3 महीने में फिर वहां पे जब आप आर्टिकलशिप में करते हो काम so you're very intelligent as all of you were telling being intelligent solves all your purpose no because when you're going out in the corporate world it's a very different ball game altogether I was a good team member I was also very good in doing technical analysis of thing but unfortunately I was expecting too much from myself so I thought यार 2 महीना हो गया और मुझे corporate writing is very different from how you write an essay okay so we were being taught and my seniors were very kind they said you will learn because your analysis is very good you have to write as per this section I'm sure all of you must be doing that articleship phase mein so you know how you have to draft those things it's just not that you don't but जो पहला ईमेल ड्राफ्ट किया होगा जो अभी ड्राफ्ट करते हो उसमें वाइडर डिफरेंस होते हैं सीनियर्स विल टेल यू हाउ यू हैव टू ड्राफ्ट इट हमारे यहाँ पे चैट जीपीटी नहीं होता तो इतना जल्दी पता नहीं चलता था क्या गलतियां हैं बट दैट हैपेंड एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ गॉड देन आई कॉल्ड अप माय ब्रदर कि नहीं हो रहा भाई मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि आई एम नॉट फिट फॉर दिस प्लेस माय ब्रदर सेड दैट कोई बात नहीं और 15-20 दिन निकालना देखते हैं मतलब ही इज यंगर टू मी बाय अ ईयर ही इज एन इंजीनियर वर्क फॉर अ वेरी बिग यूएस कंपनी नाउ एंड आई सेड ठीक है निकाल लेते हैं थोड़ा टाइम अपन कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है एंड आफ्टर 15 days आई थिंक Bombay has been my home it's 21 years now and I love this place I've settled here and I do not want to go anywhere else other than Bombay this is the city I want to be in so yeah so this is what happened and as I said कि आप जब दूर होते हो थोड़ा पेरेंट्स से तभी उनकी कद्र सब चीजें समझ में आती है फैमिली का इंपॉर्टेंस जो मुझे भी एज एन इंडिविजुअल समझ में आया बाकी आई डोंट थिंक आई हैड एनी चैलेंजेस आई गॉट द best of seniors, I will say. Until now, touchwood, always got the best of seniors who groomed me so well. And they're also across the world. Across the world, they are right now. And they still call me up and tell me, you don't have a job, come and join us. I said, this is what I wanted.
That's so nice, ma'am.
Ma'am, my next question would be regarding something about your trophy cabinet. Let's move towards that. So, आपने numerous awards जीते हैं recently. 4 women of WIRC or and once again first top 100 women in finance. So my question to you is that how does these recognitions matter to you in your personal life as well as your professional life?
My son, I'm a 10-year-old mother. My son gets very proud about me seeing these awards. That's what I can say in the personal life. he looks forward to me. Having said that, so I got my first award in 2020. So there's again a story. I joined this new fund, and 2018-19, and then COVID hit. We raised, I think by that time, 165 crores. We wanted to deploy the fund. We did do 2 transactions. And suddenly आप जब वेले बैठे होते हो ना तो क्या करना है, तो we started, there was a lot of nominations which were happening, so I nominated myself and I got selected as top 100 women in finance and few other awards which you just mentioned about. And then there was a question while filling up the form where they asked me other awards which you have won, okay? And the answer, I will very candidly tell you the answer. I said I was so involved doing the hard work that I never felt that I really need to apply or nominate myself for an award. So I really do not have any award before this award. So my career started in 2007, 2020 marks my 14 years of corporate career, right? But I've actually never thought that I need an award. And I never knew that there's a process of nomination to get an award. And I don't believe in paid awards, okay? So with all of these things, when I wrote that answer, the person laughed so much and stating that's brutal honesty. I said, but that's truth. I think I never thought that I need to nominate myself for any of the awards. Because मुझे तो वो बोलते ना कभी-कभी, as I was telling you, ignorance is bliss, right? Not knowing a lot of things in life give you the pleasure which you may not know. So I think not knowing that there's certain things called as award, what I only knew that there were ranks, which I have got already in my life. So I thought these are my awards, which I have to wear. The crown, like the Miss World crown, who she wears throughout. I thought, मेरे को ranks आ गए, मैं बहुत कुछ कर लिया है. So I never thought. So Dev, so that's my calling for an award. But having said that, I've also realized that these recognitions also inspire other people. The awards are not for you. It is also for the people around you whom you can inspire, because it's a recognition which gets accepted by the world, okay, by the people who sing it. And I also realized that a lot of girls, young girls, got motivated by seeing all these things, right? And that's where I realized the importance of genuinely getting a genuine award. I will put it in quotes, right? Otherwise, it really doesn't matter. You get emails from across so many nowadays, right? Wherein everybody is like, you want an award, okay, this is the prize. I mean, of course, they will not call it as a prize. They will say, this is the nomination fee, this is this, which is pretty hefty amount, right? And do I really want to get into that? No, I mean, I've lost that charm. But as I say that, yeah, the true awards which I've got, which made me feel happy, professionally and personally also, as I said, my son is very proud. Oh, these are my mama's award, right? Those trophies when he sees. So making him feel proud as a mother, I feel happy about it.
On similar lines, we asked the former questions. Like, we have created the CA students community, and also our very first project, that is Anthology, named as Education. So what are your views on this? And do you think participating in such projects like Anthology can help a student strengthen like they didn't even know what they had?
So Tuba, I think it's a very, very interesting platform. When they had called me up, I was just trying to figure out, and of course I know it's a very new initiative which you from different cities have taken. So as I say that networking is very important, Dev, I missed that part. So this is a very great platform to network. When I say network, I have a very different concept or definition of networking. Just exchanging card is not networking for me. Networking happens gradually over a period of time. It is building relationship. So if I meet Dev today and tomorrow Dev says, find me a job or just do this transaction for me, I will not do it. I'm very candid about it. But if Dev and me have been talking on a regular basis, अभी हमारा एक trust build हो गया है, 1-1.5 साल के बाद देव या धैर्य आते हैं, तूबा आती है या सताक्षी आती है, and then they tell, I will go out of my way to get it done, right? So it's built over a period of time. Unfortunately, in India, we believe that going to these networking events, card exchange करा, 2 email से कि नहीं, आप खुद बताइए ना, आप खुद करोगे क्या वो? मतलब I am just telling you that if someone comes share a card and write an email to you, unless आपके पास बहुत free time है और आपको यही करना है तो आप करोगे, otherwise you'll not do it.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wise words.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moving into our final segment, ma'am, we would like you to respond as quickly as possible with the very first thought that comes to your mind, because it's a rapid fire round.
Sure, Tuba.
So the very first thing I wanted to ask, like, what would you do? Investing in startups or building a sustainable business?
Definitely building a sustainable business.
What would you choose? Finance side of business or operation side of business?
Now, since I'm doing operations, I've started loving operations. So, operation sides of the business. There are a lot of challenges and you learn a lot.
What would you choose? A networking event or a Netflix night?
Depends upon my mood. If I just want to just be lazy, a Netflix night. If I'm all powered up like today, maybe a networking event.
What would you prefer? A friend circle or winner circle?
Oh, that's a tough question. I can't choose amongst the. I've just known you and I like all of you. So if both of them is the option, I would love to choose both of them.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an inspiring presence and knowledgeable session. Genuinely, we all loved it. Now, for the closing remarks, I would like to invite Satakshi to come forward.
Wow, what an incredible session this has been. On behalf of the Winner Circle and our entire WOW series audience, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to CA Prachi Jain ma'am for joining us today. Ma'am, the wisdom you have shared today, drawn from 15 years of experience, has left us all enriched and motivated. And I'm absolutely sure that your father is definitely watching upon you even now as we speak, and he's super proud of you. We especially thank you for your candid insights, your practical advice, and the stories that have made us smile, reflect, and even dream bigger. I'm sure every viewer today is walking with renewed energy and a stronger belief that discipline, vision, and passion can truly change the game. I would also like to share that once our anthology, Education, is published, TWC would be honoring you with a special token of gratitude for being a proud and inspiring TWC ambassador. Thank you once again, ma'am, for giving us time, words of wisdom, and encouragement. We wish you continued success in your journey at Ednovate and beyond. And to our audience, thank you for being with us in this episode of WOW series. Tell us your key takeaways in the comments down below. And remember, you are no more alone in this journey. You are now part of TWC family. Stay connected for our upcoming projects and more inspiring conversations to come. Until then, remember, wisdom is the power, but sharing wisdom is legacy. And that's what we create here at WOW. Time being, this is me, Satakshi Agrawal, signing off.